guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I love those colors so much. I am going to put them on here, and I'm going to do a minimalist bloom. And I'm getting ready to go pick my nieces up from the airport. I'm so excited. So yeah, they're gonna be in about 20 minutes. So I just thought I'd get a quickie in. So this is the LUMIERE Halo Violet Gold. This is Phthalo Turquoise Light with a little bit of titanium white. This is Ore. And this is, ooh, there's something in there. All right, this is golden magenta, which is a little bit on the thick side. Let me fix that real quick. Just add a little bit of varnish to it. I'm out of Gesonia, so I've been using, what is that? Varathane gloss. Oh, there you go. Take a flight. Take a flight. I'm so excited to have my nieces here. And this is Phthalo Turquoise. And here we go, Multi Pro. I'm going to, ooh. Dude, you better get out of here. Seriously. Gonna have to put small amounts of paint. I don't have anything put down here. I'm going to just wing it, and hopefully I'll just clean up the mess as I go. So, not quite sure. Oh, that's right. Oh, there's a few little boo-boos. All right, here we go. Just a little. And then turquoise. Magenta. Gold. Ore. I'm sorry. Ore. Gotta love that ore. And then this is the violet. All right. That's little amounts. That's about as little as I have ever done. Now, the cell activator is right here. This is the blue-black mixed with a little bit of Prussian blue. Do I want to put another cell activator? I don't think so. All right, here we go. Oh, that's a nice bloom. All right. Told you to get out of there. All right, so I'm going to give it a minute. I'm gonna give it a minute. Let it do its thing. Let all those cells come up. Beautiful. I love those colors. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that halo around there. There's a lot of color under there. Well, that did nothing. Put a little bit more here so we can keep the composition. And I'm going to start tilting just a little bit. Get a little bit more centered. Whoa, Wilbur. Oh, not too fast. Are you guys on? Yes, you are. I think you are. Yes, you are. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna bring it back now, and then we're gonna spin it. Whoa. Putting some of this on underneath so that it stays put. Okay. Wow. All right, hopefully it'll stay put. I'm gonna give it a baby spin. I want it to come down more. I want it to be a little bit longer. It's fat. It was skinny. No, it's fat. All right. It's really pretty though. I like the colors. All right, we're gonna give it a spin. Wow, you should see the watercolor effects that are happening on that top bloom, or that top, ouch, darn it. That's just my elbow. I'm gonna keep bringing it down. I like it. See, that was like the smallest amount of paint. And look at that. I'm done. That's it, that's all. Oh, jeez. You know, I always say that, right? There was one little thing I want to do. Maybe not. I think that's it, guys. Hope it dries well. All right, I'm gonna take you down for a quick, ooh, jeez, I'm gonna get the paint off of here. To my edges, whoops. This is a 12 by 12 tile. Oh, lovely. Yep. Yeah, I like it. All right, I'll be right down in just a moment. All right, guys. So here it is. Oh, the color blending on this is amazing. Right there. The gold, the ore with the magenta, and then that halo violet gold. I was gonna do something more up there. I still might, I'm not sure. But look at that color, eh? And then this, but this is what's incredible right here. Are you kidding me? And that still might develop a little bit. Yeah, as a matter of fact, that cell wasn't there just a moment ago, so, but the ore, some more watercolor effects. Me likey. All right, guys, I'm going to pick up my nieces at the airport. Ciao for now. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, this is the dried result. It's not resined yet, but it's beautiful. Once it's resined, it's going to be everything's, all those colors and bling are going to come up. So I just wanted to show you this. The sun is not cooperating with me right now, but hey, I just wanted to show you the dried results. It's gorgeous, dried perfectly. Thank you. Thanks for being here.